What's up? It's your boy Karceno here, and welcome back to Onecraknews. It's gone crazy. I'm sitting here and I just can't believe my ears right now. You know, I'm just baffled. So now they're talking about there's a ban on abortion in Alabama. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. You thought Florida was crazy. Shoot, Alabama is right next to it. The lieutenant governor of Alabama says their statewide abortion ban is designed to overturn Roe versus Wade, and they credited Donald Trump for remaking the judiciary system to achieve the goal. The Lieutenant Governor Will Answorth released the following statements regarding Thursday's Senate's action on abortion ban legalization. That is the direct attempt to overturn the U.S. Supreme Court's Roe versus Wade decision. Since taking the gavel, I have worked hard to follow both the spirit and letter of the Senate rules, and I will continue that practice as long as I am the proceeding officer. It is important that I pass the state board's abortion ban legalization and begin a long overhaul effort to directly change Roe versus Wade. Now that President Trump has supercharged the effort to remake the federal court system by appointing conservative jurists who will strictly interpret the Constitution, I feel confident that the U.S. Constitution, U.S. Supreme Court will overturn Roe versus Wade and finally correct its 46-year-old mistake. By ratifying a constitutional amendment declaring Alabama a pro life state, offering generous tax incentives to families who adopt, and pushing legislation, I must be sleepy, legislation that gives a voice to the voiceless. I am proud that Alabamians, I thought they were Americans, I'm sorry, are leading the nation in protecting unborn life. Oh, Jesus Christ. What is wrong with these people? Do you know you're going to start a war? How you going to tell a woman what to do with her body? And get this, there's no no way of getting a absolute, like, okay, say the girl was raped and she got pregnant. There's no loophole here. She got to have the baby. She has no choice. Or if it's incest, no choice. Got to have the baby. The world has gone crazy. These are the last days. I can't see it. It can't go back to normal after this. All of it don't make sense. How are you going to tell somebody what they could do with their body? Oh, this law is going to fix all those rappers, and the rappers are going to be messed up. They better stay out of Alabama. Don't sleep with no Alabama chicks because they going to have the baby. The only thing this thing is going to do is increase illegal abortions. But this is the guy y'all elected. Did you know there was a guy who raped a 12-year-old girl and was awarded, got her pregnant, and she had a baby at 12, and he's awarded joint custody of the child? This is facts. He was convicted of rape and another sexual assault on a child. He got charged for that. The convicted rapist assaulted the girl 9 years ago, and she had the baby. His name is Christopher Marasolo, 27 years old. And the judge has given him parenting time and joint legal custody of the 8-year-old boy after a paternity test found out he was the father. Since his conviction from the rape in 2008, he's from Brown City, Michigan. He's been convicted of another child sex assault. Another one. He served 4 years in prison for it. The victim, who is now 21 years of old, and her attorney, Rebecca Kinsley, is seeking protection under Federal Rape Survival Child Custody Act to halt his access. But the custody was granted by Judge Gregory S. Ross, and he was given the victim's address and his name added to the birth certificate without the victim's consent. It's insane. Nothing was right about this since it was originally investigated. Everything about what just happened there is criminal. Now, tell me that's not crazy. But how you gonna tell a woman what she can do with her body? So what's next? You're telling men they can't get a vasectomy. If a man can choose to go get a vasectomy or not, a woman can choose if she wants to have an abortion or not. Yeah, it's only going to increase illegal abortions where people are going to die trying to have them. So Alabama has a abortion ban in place right now. 25 white Republican men voted yes to ban abortions in Alabama. They'll take this to Supreme Court. This won't stand. I know. Oh, it's okay, Marcus. You good for it. Yeah, a friend of mine, she just lost her son in a car accident. So I've been dealing with that today. It's been a hectic day, man. 23 years old, dies in a head-on collision. It's crazy. She don't even know how. Like, it's a mess. There's sick people in the world, sick people out there. Period. And it is what it is, man. I'm not gonna hold you all day on this one because this is not a topic I even like to talk about. It's too just vile, you know, just vile. Thanks, Marcus. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Most of the videos that you see on like Karceno for Life, I done those yesterday. If it's not a live video, I didn't do it like today. I didn't do like any videos today. Everything was done yesterday or in the morning or something. I haven't made a video today unless it was live. You ain't see me live, I didn't make the video because I did not sit down and do anything with videos today at all. It's just been a mess today.